Morning, guys. This is Tony K2 at Dittmar Road in Austin, Texas. Amtrak Texas Eagle 22 leading 61 is how this way right now. It's still chilly, so I'm gonna leave after Amtrak goes by here. the other trains are way too far right now, so I'm just gonna leave out after Amtrak goes by. But you know, it's gonna be fun to see Amtrak come, and here it comes. Here comes Amtrak. There you go, the morning Amtrak plus the horse show, but it'll be a while for anything else to come, so I'll talk to you all later. Bye-bye.